Hello and welcome to our tutorial. Today we will cover the multicast feature, the option that allows you to send the video stream simultaneously to your social media accounts and reach new audiences during the live video experience. Let's see how. Let's start multicasting to Facebook. First, you need to add your Facebook account as an RTMP destination. In your studio, go to Multicast, activate the option and select Add New. Each multicast destination has a name, an RTMP server address, and a stream key. The name can be anything that you want it to be. It's there to help you better organize your destinations, while the address and key are generated by the destination platform. To retrieve them, go to Facebook, select Go Live, and choose the Setup Live Video option. Once you land on the settings page, go to Advanced Settings and toggle the Persistent Stream Key option. It enables you to use the same connection key each time you go live. Otherwise, you will need to add a new RTMP destination for each live session that you want to multicast to Facebook. Now you are ready to multicast on Facebook. Once you start receiving the video signal into Streams.live, the video will be sent to Facebook as well. You will be able to see it in preview. Each third-party destination requires you to give the final permission from the platform itself. Add a title and a description for your Facebook Live. These fields are mandatory and they help your viewers understand what your video is all about. A good practice here is to add the link to the full experience in your description, the link to your website if you have embedded the experience, or the link to a Streams.live channel generated for your live commerce session. Now, when Facebook receives the video from the streaming software, your Go Live button will become available. Once you press it, you'll be live on Facebook, reaching new audiences.